In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a status system in Google Sheets. These systems are particularly useful for project management or tracking tasks as they offer a clear and visual representation of progress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customizable status tracking system right at your fingertips. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Google account and open Google Sheets. If you haven't used Google Sheets before, it's a free, powerful tool that's part of Google's suite of Office applications. Once you're in, you're ready to create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. In Google Sheets, you can create a status system, think to do, in progress, completed, or on hold, by using drop-down lists combined with conditional formatting. This way you can have a dynamic setup where the status is not only functional, but also visually appealing. To begin, we'll focus on using drop-down menus. First, select the cells or entire column where you want to track the status. If you're managing tasks, this will typically be a column dedicated to status updates, like column C. Navigate to the menu and choose Insert, followed by drop-down. Alternatively, you can do this through Data, then Data Validation, and finally selecting the drop-down option. This process will bring up a sidebar where you can input the various statuses you want to use. Common choices include in progress, not started, on hold, and passed. Once your statuses are set, let's take a look at a sample. Glance over to the status column to see how adding a drop-down can streamline your task management process. It simplifies updating the status of any task at a glance. Now, let's dive into customization to make it even more effective. You can assign specific colors to each status, making it easier to quickly assess the situation. For example, you can choose a light green for in progress, yellow for not started, a soft blue for on hold, and a bright green for passed. This color coding provides immediate visual feedback on the status of your tasks without needing to read each entry individually. With the drop-down menus in place, updating the status of a particular task is just a click away. Simply select the desired cell in your status column and pick the appropriate status from the drop-down list. Once selected, the associated color will update instantly, letting everyone who views the sheet know the current status of each task at a glance. Remember, clarity begins with status. Knowing where everything stands is key to effective project management. By using this system in Google Sheets, you save time and improve transparency, making it easier to keep track of all your tasks and their progress. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you find this method as useful as I do in keeping your work organized.